CTET previous year solved papers 2018, 2019, 2021 official answer key. CDP questions. First, the development from central part of the body towards peripheries or extremities denotes the principle of radiate development, principle of decentralized development, principle of proximal development, principle of cascade development. Right answer is 3. Next, school is an institution of socialization of children where school children occupy the central position, school routine occupy the central position, school activities occupy the central position, school teacher occupy the central position. Right answer is 1. Next, if you join a teacher fraternity and choose to dress like most of the others in your group, you are exhibiting group identity, obedience, compliance, conformity. Right answer is 4. Next, the concept of object permanence is attained during Piaget's dash stage of development: sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operational, former operational. The right answer is 1. Next, individualized education program is planned for the perspective of special education program, child-centered education program, open school education program, e-learning education program. The right answer is 2. Next, between dash months of age, most children begin to combine words into short sentence while speaking: 12 and 18, 18 and 24, 24 and 30, 30 and 36. Right answer is 2. Next, the concept of intelligence quotient or IQ was developed by Galton, Binet, Stern, Terman. Right answer is 3. Next, creativity is thought to be related to the concept of fluid intelligence, crystallized intelligence, convergent thinking, divergent thinking. Right answer is 4. Next, the acceptable sound combination of a language are specified in its dash rules: phonological, grammatical, syntactic, inflection. Right answer is 1. Next, the position where thought patterns are influenced by language is called cultural tendency, linguistic determination, cognitive bias, socio-linguistic genesis. The right answer is 2. Next, Ravi repairs appliances by testing hypotheses about the cause of malfunction based on the experiences with the symptoms. He uses insight, algorithm, mental set, heuristics. The right answer is 4. Next, Divya often divides the assigned job into small tasks which she can handle easily. She is using reductionism, secondary elaboration, sub-goal, functional fixedness. The right answer is 3. Next, society determines the role of male and female. This statement articulates gender as an inherent construct, gender as a hereditary endowment, gender as an intuitive construct, gender as a social construct. The right answer is 4. Next, grading, coding, marking and credit accumulation system are some of the example of evaluation procedure of answer sheet of the examination, symbolizing position of children in the class, depicting the academic progress in report card, scoring procedure of assessment of learners' achievement. Right answer is 4. Next, assessment of learners' achievement helps the teacher to maintain the performance of record learners, evaluate the effectiveness of pedagogy, make ability grouping of learners in the classroom, prepare activity log for teaching. The right answer is 2. Next, inclusive education is based on the principle of social equilibrium, equity and equal opportunities, social existence and globalization, world brotherhood. The right answer is 2. Next, the Rights of Person with Disability Act has been enacted in the year 1992, 1995, 1999, 2016. The right answer is 4. Next, Children with individual differences should be taught in a school having teachers to teach in different sections of classroom based on the individual differences, trained to use different pedagogy meet their diverse learning needs, trained to teach children with specific individual differences, trained to make them homogeneous learner. The right answer is 2. Next, the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009 ensures the rights of children with disability to free education from 6 years to 18 years, 3 years to 18 years, 6 years to 14 years, 6 years to 22 years. The right answer is 1. Next, providing teaching learning materials in accessible formats to the diverse learners implies universal inclusive education, ethical considerate, universal code of teaching practice, universal humanistic approach of teaching, universal design of learning. The right answer is 4. Next, dash involves self-awareness and control of cognitive abilities, example, planning, reviewing and revising, etc. Centration, metacognition, cognition, accommodation. The right answer is B. Next, when children think to interpret the received information according to their experiences, it is called reflective thinking, creative thinking, abstract thinking, concrete thinking. The right answer is 4. Next, teaching learners at very level of difficulty based on the ability of individual learners is known as differentiated instruction, selective instruction, precision teaching, errorless instruction. The right answer is 1. Next, maintenance is the specific stage of learning which is antecedent to dash stage of learning: acquisition, motivation, independent generalization. The right answer is D. Zizong believed that cognition and emotion are interdependent, independent, interrelated, integrated. The right answer is 2. Next, a teacher is teaching children by demonstration of a task to correct the performance of an already learned task. He is using dash method of teaching: imitation, observation, correction, modeling. The right answer is 4. Next, according to Mann and Jennings decision maker, children analyze the problem, list the alternatives and weigh each option for its advantages and disadvantages. His behavior reflects surveillance, vigilant, outgoing, autocratic. Right answer is 2. Next, in dash thinking, a child as a problem solver evaluates the truth or likelihood of statement: creative, aesthetic, abstract, logical. The right answer is 4. Next, the task in which the children gets experience while enjoying themselves is known as drill and practice, consumer type task, producer type task, problem type task. The right answer is 2. Next, multisensory approach in teaching learning is the simultaneous use of visual, auditory, tactile and dash sense of enhanced learning: kinesthetic, vestibular, perceptual, observational. The right answer is 1. Next, first question. To understand individual differences in development, it is important to look at the environment factors that affect individuals, to consider maturation of the body and the brain, to consider both inherited characteristics as well as environmental factors and their interplay, to look at the inherited characteristics that give each person a special start in life. The right answer is 3. Next, which of the following is not a principle of development? Development is relatively orderly. Development takes place gradually over a period of time. Exact course and nature of development is determined at the time of birth itself. Individuals develop at different rates. The right answer is 3. Next, several research studies shows that teachers have more overall interaction with boys and girls. What is the correct explanation for this? Boy needs more attention than girls. This is an example of gender bias in teaching. Boys are easier to manage than girls in the classroom. Boys have much more academic capabilities than girls. Right answer is 2. Next, which of the following is central to the concept of progressive education? Belief in the capability and potential of every child, standard instruction and assessment, extrinsic motivation and uniform assessment parameters, textbook centric learning. The right answer is 1. Next, what instructional adaptation should a teacher make while working with students who are visually challenged? Use a variety of visual presentation, orient herself so that the students can watch her closely, focus on a variety of written tasks, especially worksheet, speak clearly and use a lot of touch and feel materials. Right answer is 4. Next, cooperative learning and peer tutoring in an inclusive classroom should be actively discouraged, should be occasionally used, should not be used, should be actively promoted. The right answer is 4. Next, which of the following is the most important in an inclusive classroom? Standardized testing, promoting competitive learning, individualized education plan, uniform instructions. The right answer is 3. Next, which of the following is a correctly matched pair of learners and their primary characteristics? Dyslexic learners lack reading and writing fluency, creative learners hyperactive, slow and completing work, attention deficit learners high motivation, can sustain attention for long period of time, hearing impaired learners cannot comprehend visually informations. Right answer is 1. Next, the ability to come up with original and divergent solutions to a problem is a primary characteristic of impaired children, creative children, children with learning disability, egocentric children. Right answer is 2. Next, which of the following would not be consistent with a constructive environment? Students work collaboratively and are given support to engage task-oriented dialogue with each other. Teachers elicit students' ideas and experiences in relation to key topics and plan teaching learning to elaborate or restructure their current knowledge. Teachers employ specific and the term assessment strategies and give feedback on products rather than processes. Students are given frequent opportunities to engage in complex, meaningful problem based on activities. The right answer is 3. A teacher should encourage students to set dash rather than dash. Performance goal, learning goal, failure avoiding goals, mark seeking goals, failure avoiding goals, learning goals, performance goals. The right answer is 4. Next, which of the following does not result in meaningful facilitation of learning? Promoting repetition and recall, use of examples and non-examples, encouraging multiple ways of looking at a problem, connecting new knowledge to pre-existing knowledge. The right answer is 1. Next, which of these is an example of extrinsic motivation? I learn so much when I do my homework. Doing homework makes me understand my concept better. I complete my homework because the teacher gives us marks for each assignment. I enjoy doing my homework because it is so much fun. The right answer is 3. Next, in a primary classroom, a teacher should give only non-examples, give both example and non-example, not give any example and non-example, give only examples. The right answer is 2. Next, which of the following strategies would promote meaning making in children? Transmission of information, using punitive measures, uniform and standardized testing, exploration and discussion. The right answer is 4. Which of the following are examples of effective learning strategies? Setting goals and timetables, making organizational chart and concept maps, thinking of example and non-examples, explaining to a peer, self-questioning. The right answer is 3. Next, in the constructivist frame, child is viewed as tabula rasa or blank slate whose life is shaped entirely by experience, a passive being who can be shaped and molded into any form through conditioning, a problem solver and a scientific investigator, miniature adult who is less than adult in all aspects such as size, cognition, emotion. The right answer is 3. Next, a teacher's role while using cooperative learning in her class is to leave the class and let children work on their own, is to be supportive and monitor each group, is to support the group which has the bright and talented children, is to be silent spectator and let children do what they want. Right answer is 2. Children's error and misconceptions are a hindrance and obstacle to the teaching learning process, should be ignored in the teaching learning process, signify the children's capability as far inferior than the adults, are a significant step in the teaching learning process. The right answer is 4. Next, according to Piaget, specific psychological structures, organized way of making sense of experience are called schemas, images, mental maps, mental tools. The right answer is 1. Next, with an appropriate question suggestion, the child understand can be extended far beyond the point which she could have reached alone. Which construct does the above statement highlight? Equilibration, conservation, intelligence, zone of proximal development. Right answer is 4. According to Lev Vygotsky, basic mental capabilities are transformed into higher cognitive processes primarily through social interaction, stimulus response association, adaptation and organization, reward and punishment. Right answer is 1. Next, which of the following statement denotes the relationship between development and learning correctly? Learning takes place irrespective of development. Rate of learning far exceeds the rate of development. Development and learning are interrelated and interdependent. Development and learning are not related. The right answer is 3. Next, one of the major accomplishment of concrete operational stage is ability to conserve hypothetic deductive reasoning, secondary circular reactions, animistic thinking. The right answer is 1. Next, constructivists such as Jean Piaget and Lev Vygotsky view learning as conditioning of response, passive repetitive process of meaning making by active engagement, acquisition of skills. The right answer is 3. Next, selecting and presenting stories and clipping from newspaper that portray both man and woman in an non-traditional roles in an effective strategy to promote gender consistency, encourage stereotypical gender roles, counter gender stereotype, promote gender bias. The right answer is 3. Next, read the following descriptions and identify the stage of moral reasoning of Kohlberg descriptions. Right action is defined by self-chosen ethical principles of conscience that are valid for all humanity regardless of law and social agreement. The social contract orientation, the social order maintaining orientation, the universal ethical principle orientation, the instrumental purpose orientation. The right answer is 3. Next, as per Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence, how would the intelligence of a person with the following characteristics be characterized? Characteristics: ability to detect and respond appropriately to the moods, temperaments, motivation and intentions of others. Interpersonal, therapeutic, naturalistic. The right answer is 2. Next, which of the following should be reason for assessment of children? To separate and label children into non-achievers, low achievers, average and high achievers. To improve teaching learning processes in the classroom. To find out what changes and progresses in learning that takes place in the child over a period of time. To discuss the capabilities, potential strength and challenging areas of the child. The right answer is 2. Second, third and fourth. Next, which of the following play an important role in a child's socialization? Media, school, family, neighborhood. The right answer is 3. First, second, third, fourth included. Children's failure in school signifies that parents have not been able to support their children to learn, suggests that children from deprived backgrounds are not capable of learning, indicates that school has not been able to cater all the needs and interests of these children, prove that these children have genetic birth defects and hence should be pulled out from school. The right answer is 3. Next, by working in group teaching and helping each other's children develop competitive tendencies that hinder learning, are able to reflect on their own through processes and shift to a higher level of cognitive activity, can develop misconception which interferes with their learning, get distracted, and hence it is an ineffective pedagogical strategies. The right answer is 2. Next, in a dash classroom, teachers adapt their pedagogy and vary assessment to cater to individual students. Behavioristic, teacher-centric, progressive, textbook-centric. The right answer is 3. Next, which of the following theories propose that children's thinking is qualitatively different from that of the adults? Lawrence Kohlberg, Jean Piaget, Lev Vygotsky, Howard Gardner. The right answer is 2. Next, which of the following statement about development is correct? Development is simple and unidimensional. There is lot of cultural diversity in the development of children. Children across the world follow the same sequence and exact time of development. Development occurs in a neat, orderly set of stages predetermined by genetic factors. The right answer is 2. Next, which of the following is a major hallmark of the period of middle childhood? Development of scientific reasoning and ability to think abstractly, emergence of make-believe play, development of logical thought that is concrete in nature, rapid development of motor skills and overall physical growth. The right answer is 3. Next, school dash socialization of children is a secondary agency of, does not play any role in, play very little role in, is a primary agency of. The right answer is 1. Next, at which stage of Lawrence Kohlberg theory of moral development do individuals believe that actively maintaining the current social system ensures positive human relationship and societal order? The universal ethical principle orientation, the punishment and obedience orientation, the social order maintaining orientation, the instrumental purpose orientation. The right answer is 3. During the period of childhood development is disorderly and disjointed, is slow and cannot be measured, is multi-layered and complex, consists only of quantitative changes. The right answer is 3. Next, zone of proximal development is the process in which children learn to perform tasks as said by the elder members in a society, the area between a child's current level of independent performance and the level of performance that the child could achieve with the help of adults and more skilled peers, a range of tasks that the child should be able to do as per her age but cannot, the process where two individuals who begin with different understanding arrived at a shared understanding. The right answer is 2. Next, according to Jean Piaget, children in formal operational stage begin to engage in making believe and symbolic play, are capable of hypothetic deductive reasoning and propositional thought, are bound by centration and irreversibility of thought, cannot conserve, classify and seriate. The right answer is 2. Next, which of the following is a correctly matched pair of type of intelligence and state performance possibilities as per Howard Gardner theory of multiple intelligence? Bodily kinesthetic, athlete, spatial, therapist, interpersonal, salesperson, linguistic, sculptor. The right answer is 1. Next, according to Lev Vygotsky, maturation and schema leads to cognitive development in children. Language plays an important role in cognitive development of children. Children learn language through a language acquisition device. Children cognitive development occurs in stages. The right answer is 2. Next, in a progressive classroom assessment of learners during the process of teaching learning is very important since it gives insight into children's understanding and helps the teacher to reflect on her pedagogy, is not at all helpful in children's learning, create a hindrance in the process of children's learning, is helpful in identifying high, low and non-achievers for the purpose of giving feedback to the parents. The right answer is 1. Next, according to which theorist cultural tools play an important role in cognitive development of children? B.F. Skinner, Lev Vygotsky, Jean Piaget, Albert Bandura. The right answer is 2. Next, an effective classroom strategy to reduce gender stereotyping and broadening developmental possibility for all sexes is forming mixed sex activity groups and promote discussion, to ignore and dismiss biological differences among the sexes, to reinforce gender roles as portrayed in the society, forming same-sex ability grouping. The right answer is 1. Next, multilingualism in a classroom needs to be understood as dash by the teachers, a systematic issue, an uncertain resource, a hindrance, a problem. The right answer is 2. A child-centered classroom is one in which the child is flexible and caters to need of individual children. The teacher uses a textbook as the only source of knowledge. The teacher segregates the children based on their abilities. The teacher uses rewards and punishment to direct children's behavior. The right answer is 1. Next, children with dyslexia can be identified by assessing their ability to solve complex higher order problems, finding out their social and cultural context, through physical health checkup, analyze their reading and writing skills. The right answer is 4. Which of the following is not a suitable learning material for students who are partially sighted? Small print worksheet, large print books, 3-dimensional maps and charts, talking books, felt bulletin boards. The right answer is 1. Next, to identify belief behind inclusive education is the philosophy that all the children have right to get equal education in a regular school, segregation of children on the basis of their abilities and provisioning of vocational training accordingly, diagnostic labeling of children based on their handicaps or identification of their limitations, provisioning of special education institutions for children with different handicaps. The right answer is 1. Next, needs of gifted and creative children can be addressed by administrating memory-based tests, giving challenging tasks and activities to prevent boredom, giving questions that require convergent thinking, providing specific instructions to solve problems. The right answer is 2. Which of the following is not an effective strategy to address learners from disadvantaged and deprived backgrounds? Form collaborative groups to work on activities and encourage students to support each other. Talk to the learners to understand their needs and challenges faced by them. Asking the learners to enroll for tuition outside the school so that the teacher does not have to pay much attention to them. Motivate the student to set moderately challenging goals and provide appropriate instructional support. The right answer is 3. Next, physical and emotional health of children, their learning has an insignificant role in, does not have any influence on, play an important role in, is not related to. The right answer is 3. Next, to promote meaningful learning in the classroom, a teacher should help students to regulate their own emotion and motivation, categorize and label students according to their performance and make a ability grouping, promote dialogue and discussion among children to build multiple perspective, ignore diversity in the classroom and follow standard methods of instruction. The right answer is 2. Next, the answer is 2. First and third. Options are first and third. Which of the following is an example of effective motivational strategy to encourage students to learn? Creating a lot opportunity for competition, providing scaffolding especially when students learn a new skill, emphasis on completion of work rather than learning, giving tasks that are very easy. The right answer is 2. Which of the following statement about children's thinking is not correct? Children are born with curiosity to learn about the world around them. Children construct their own theories about various phenomena around them. Children cannot think of concept on their own and the primary role of teacher is to provide information. Children actively think about various phenomena around them and have an urge to explore. Right answer is 3. Next, learning is a dash and dash process. Complex passive, complex active, simple linear, simple individual. The right answer is 2. Next, a teacher should dash the social, cultural, religious and linguistic diversity in her classroom to facilitate meaningful learning. Neglect, dismiss, ignore, understand. The right answer is 4. Next, it is important to create dash learning environment in the classroom rather than dash one. Competitive, facilitative, collaborative, competitive, competitive, collaborative, fearful, facilitative. The right answer is 2. Thanks for watching.